Question number 13. This is FOIL. You're multiplying two binomials together. FOIL stands for first, then outside, inside, and last. On this problem, if you just take the 2b and multiply it times everything in the other set of parentheses, and then take the 3 and multiply it times everything in the other set of parentheses, you're actually doing FOIL. So we'll have, 2b plus 3 times 4b minus 1. So we're going to take this 2b and multiply it times the 4b. And that is basically your first terms of each binomial. So 2 times 4 is 8. B times b is b squared. Remember, when we multiply, we add the exponents. Then you're going to take the 2b and multiply it times the negative 1. And notice those are both on the outside of the problem, the 2b and the minus 1. So that would be negative 2b. And then we go to the 3 and multiply it times everything in the other set of parentheses. Notice the 3 times the 4b, those are the numbers that are on the inside of the problem. So that would be a plus 12b. And then the positive 3 times the negative 1. And notice those are the last terms of each binomial. So that would give us a negative 3. These two are like terms because they both have a b. There's nothing that goes with the 8b squared because there's not another b squared term. Negative 2b plus 12b, signs are different. We're going to subtract, take the sign of a larger number. So that would be plus 10b and then minus 3 on the end. So that is our trinomial. That's what we get when we multiply 2b plus 3 times 4b minus 1. Next problem. This is simplify, so we're collecting like terms. So I'm going to look at all the k terms. So 6k goes with 5k, and notice it's the sign in front of it that we're looking at. So a positive 6k and a plus 5k, that will give us 11k. Then we have a negative 6v. Let's change colors here. So a negative 6v and a negative 4v. Those are the v terms. Signs are alike. They're both negative, so we add. Alike starts with a, add starts with a. Alike, we add and take the common sign, so that's going to be negative 10v. And then we have a minus 5 on the end. There's nothing that goes with the constant term, so that minus 5 will just be right here. Minus 5. So that is our answer.